Welcome to Enthusiast Auto House and our 2001 Porsche Boxster. This example has 85,000 miles. It's a clean title, 5-speed manual, 2.7 liter flat six. It's seal gray metallic over a full graphite gray leather interior. The electric top opens and closes properly. It has the 18-inch turbo look wheels with great Michelin Pilot sports at all four corners. Interior is nice and tidy. Gauges, HVAC, everything will work nicely. Has a good aftermarket head unit. No excessive wear. And it is cold, cold AC. I feel the need to emphasize that today. Just a great example at a fantastic price. So there you have it, our 2001 Porsche Boxster.